Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Screenflow 10. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the background using the new Screenflow 10 video filters. To remove the background or to add a blur to the background without needing to use a green screen in Screenflow 10, or if you just want to give the thumbs up symbol, you can do that too, but select the clip that has your camera recording. Come up to the video property in the inspector panel, that's the first property, go down to filters and effects, and click on this little plus symbol right here. And what you're looking for is right here, background removal. You're going to choose this first one, automatic. If you were using a green screen, you would choose this one, chroma key. But we have no green screen. I'm just going to click automatic, click add, and just like that, Screenflow 10 removed the background. When you remove the background, whatever is below it is going to show through. So you can see here I have After Effects below me now. If I remove that, I have a beat scene, or maybe you just want a solid color. You can do that as well. If you do not want to remove the background, but you just want to blur it out and give it some depth of field, select the camera layer in the timeline, go back to the filters and effects in the video property of the inspector panel, and under background, click on this little drop down and change it from clear to blur. And you can drag the slider to adjust the amount of blur. And to remove the background, select the camera layer, go to filters and effects, under background, click on the drop down and select clear. With the layer selected, you can resize it, so I can just drag this down in the corner if I want to put this down in the corner here. You see here I'm doing a tutorial on After Effects. If I go back to the beginning here, I could be talking in the corner while the After Effects video is playing in the background. You can move this all around, get it positioned wherever you want. You see there's some little artifact there, a little tip. If you hold the Option key, you'll see the corner of the bounding box turn from a circle to a square. Once it's with a square, you can move that in. So I can crop in anything that comes in that I don't want it to be there to give it a nice clean look. I'll drag it in the corner. And now I have myself a nice little background with me in the corner and the video playing in the background. And just like any other clip in Screenflow, you can also add video actions to add some animation. So I'll select the clip in the timeline, come up to the video property, click on plus action. I'll move it up to the top. I'll move the playhead a little bit. I'll click on plus action again. I'll move it down here. I'll go back to the beginning, hit the space bar. It's going to move up. And it's going to move down to the corner. So that is how you can remove the background or add blur to your video layer without using a green screen in Screenflow 10. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.